Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Kobotoolbox. All right, in this time we're going to create our first form or project. Yeah. To start with, when you open your Kobotoolbox account, the way this one is open like this. Okay, you discover that. Let me go here. I'll drag it somewhere down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you discover that after opening, you have nothing. So it's saying let's get started by creating your first project, create a new button to create a new form, or click the new button here so that you your first form. Then advanced users, you can also drag and drop XLS forms. Yeah, and they will be uploaded and converted to projects. Right. So let's first just go around the interface of Kobotoolbox. If I click here to take me back to, just load back this. Just click here to load. Yeah, just load. Then this button is for projects. Yeah, we are in projects now, and this is library. So if I click on library, then you see a different interface saying, let's get started by creating first library question, block, template, or collection. Click the new button to create it. So if you want to create questions that you'll be using, yeah, you can add them to the library. Questions such as how old are you? If you want, you can have it in advance, so to just drag from the library and put it there instead of creating a new one. Then, so you can also create a template, yeah, then save it, and you can still be dragging and putting it back, or working with the template, editing it, and do that. All right. So I'll go back to projects. Then under projects, we have three we have three categories here. We have deployed. So if you click on deployed, if you've completed a form that you think people are ready to answer now, you can click on deployed, and while your project is deployed, the numbers will start changing. If you've got one project which is deployed, there'll be a 1 here. Then if you save something, you're not done, you're still editing, that form or project will be saved in draft and archived. You can archive something that you feel like, okay, I want to use this later. You can just save it, or even a complete project, you can put it in archive and it will be there. So to start with, we're going to click on we're going to click on create. Then under create, you have to choose a source. So our first source is that you have to build from scratch, starting from scratch. Then use a template. If you have a template, then upload an XLS form. At times, someone who would have worked on the project, or you may have an old account and you want to bring the same project from the old one to the new one, you can just you can save the Excel file, which is the XLS form. The one which has the format for where Kobo is able to read that. Yeah. So let me also do this before I go anywhere. Yeah, I want to show you how it looks like. So we do this. Yeah. So just going to type XLS for Kobo. Let's see. Let's click here. Yeah. I want to show you how it looks like. something that looks like this. So you have the editing. So when you create a project, or if you want, you can just create using Excel by following the format. So you can go to xlsform.org and you can learn how to do this. If you want to use this method, it's quite good and interesting. If you open an Excel file, Excel worksheet, you can type these headings, type name, label, then have today, and the name was today. Then what this simply means is that you want your form to be collecting the date for today and to be collected. Then select one. Select one is a type of the question that you're going to have. So select one gender, meaning in this variable or field name called gender, this field name gender. Yeah, it's going to select one option. Then this is just a label of what gender is. So gender, what people will be seeing is respondent's gender. Yeah, then the other type is integer, then you're going to age as the name and respondent's age as the label. Then mostly we use 3 sheets. So one which is labeled survey, where you're going to do this. Then the next one, which is labeled choices, it's actually this one down here. So for choices, the headings or the first row will have list underscore name, then name label. So list underscore name, this is just listing. Then this name, it means the name that you have put here on on your survey sheet. So if it's gender, then list name gender. So under gender, then we are going to have these options, such as transgender, female, male, and other. Then all these options will be answered under the variable or field name gender. No wonder you're seeing gender appearing in that. And you're going to put the labels like that. And it goes. Yeah. So you can do this. There's so many things that you need to do. Yeah, but it's just too much work. So for now, let's go straight here. I'll show you the last part. Import an XLS form via URL. So you can get your form using a link. You could have, at times, you might have saved your XLS form on OneDrive, Google Drive, or someone's, like it can be website or anywhere where it's been saved and you can access it using a link. So you can click on the link and put the link here and import. It's going to import. Yeah. Now this time we're going to build from scratch. Right. So build from scratch like that. So if you click on what did I click? Let me go back. New, then build from scratch. Yeah, to ask for the where you enter the project name. So we're just going to say everyone must learn Kobo, right? Then description, we'll just say tutorial, tutorial video for everyone who is learning. Yeah. Then you can select the sector if you want. You might just select this because, yeah, just use freelance and just do a few things, not really work related. Unless if it's work related, you can select what you need. Or if you want to categorize it in the country where you are collecting the data from. And if you want Kobo to use or to share things, sharing the sector and the country where the projects will be deployed, you can click on this. Then, yeah, you'll be able to see. Yeah. Anyway, I just put this, then click create project. And voila, you have that. So here you have, if I click on this, we're going to return to list, go back to the, the main menu by clicking here on return to list. Then this is the project name. You can change anytime you want. If you feel like, I feel like you need to change, put in caps lock, so you can just do this, then to change. Right, then you have save. If you make any changes, there'll be what's this? So save will have this whereby to show you that okay, you haven't saved anything like that. If I click like that, it will disappear and you said, oh, okay, everything's saved. If I type anything new like that, yeah, then something, yeah, this will pop up. Then add from library. If you want to add questions that are in the library, you can just click here and put them, bring them up. Then layout and settings, you can change settings. Then this, which is this eye, like, so this eye is for preview. You can check how the questions will be working, like how you put your variables will if you set variables in the project, then you can check how the form is working. Then you have the cascading. It's active. So cascading is just cascading select is some kind of questions where, assuming you're collecting data in 2 or 3 provinces, yeah, and under those provinces you have districts and wards. You can put questions. You can put questions such way that if I select province 1, it will show me districts in province 1, and also select wards only in province 1. Yeah, to be filtering out. Yeah, in another form builders applications or sites like ComCare, they use filters, so it's called filters. Then here, this one is for grouping. You can group questions, yeah, or group groups. So you can have 2 groups grouped in one. You can use this and put other logics that you want to do with it. All right, so to start with, it's saying that this form is currently empty. Well, yeah, it is. Then you can add questions, notes, prompts, or other fields by clicking on the plus sign below, which is here. So if I click on plus like that, it's going to give me this box saying add question. What question do you want? First question that you might want is, what is your name? What is your name? Like that. The question mark. Then click on add so that you have these options. Then what is your name? So you want to format your question now. What is your name is basically text. So someone is going to write a text. So it's a string, open string variable where someone has to type something. So you click on it so that so then here it will be the format question, right? Then the settings, delete, duplicate, want to duplicate the question and add to library, right? So you can click there to add another question. So we're going to say respondents gender. Then put question mark. Then you can click add. Then this time we'll select. Format for this, it's select one, right? So select one because you're going to select either male or female. So select male is when you are selecting responses, more than one response on that particular variable. So you can just click here, then you can change here the option. First one will be male. Then what XML value. If you want to to code them, you can put values here. Yeah, male to be represented by 1, 1. Click tab to go to the next, then put female, then 2. Right. Then we have the codes here and the labels here. Yeah. Then you can minimize like that. So if you click on this, you're going to minimize the options and click to select to put another question. And we're going to say, now I want someone to write their age. How old are you? Right. Then we're going to click add. Yeah. Then how old are you, like that? Right. How old are you? If the question is having categories, let's say range between someone is 15 to 19, 20 to 24. Yeah, we're going to select one so that someone should select the age group. And so how old are you can be done by this. Yeah, and mostly it should be an integer. So just click integer or number there so that you have 1, 2, 3 as the format. Yeah, so this means that someone is going to type their age 24, 15, 60, 90, even 1,000 if someone has ever lived up to 1,000 years. Okay, next question. Maybe let's have something that is different. Favorite colors. Favorite colors. Yeah, like that. And then click here. So someone's going to, so here you're going to select favorite colors. Their main is not one. So we're going to say select menu and put options like green, then give it 1. Then blue be 2, then click it to add another response. Then we're going to say red 3, gray. I don't know if it's this or gray like this. At the end of the above, yeah. Then going to have another color, black 5. Okay, assuming we have these colors, right? Then we're good to go. Then you can have indicate your location. Yeah, this time I'm going to say GPS. Yeah, if you want someone to put their GPS, so just click there, then put a point, then voila, I'm going to have GPS question like that. Then what else do we need? Let's see. What options do we have here? Let's see. Oh, date. Can even put a date. Yeah, date question. Then I'm going to say, when were you born? Maybe. Oops. When were you born? Yeah. Then you can have a date question. Then you can even have a decimal question. Maybe we say number of hectares like that. Yeah. Then click and put the decimals. Yeah. Then you can have, maybe if you want to say, okay, upload your photo. Yeah, can even put photo like that. And if you want to put in, let's say, kindly record or upload a video, audio. Yeah, in a video. So you have so many options there. You can just choose video, date and time. So you can put a date and time. If it's an acknowledgement, if you want to put a barcode, question matrix, yeah, area, calculate, yeah, you can enroll these and it will be done. So basically, these are the questions that you will have, and you can click on preview, yeah, to see how the questions are looking like. So it will load, yeah. You wait for it until it shows you, okay, so these are the questions. Then you can try them, name, things, yeah, mail. What are you? Just put 15. Right. Favorite colors, then you can click green, then gray. So then the other thing that you need to notice is that for a single response, select one. You have these or-shaped options, and the squares are for choosing more than one option like that. Right. Okay. All right. So if you've done this, then you can save, and yeah, you're good to go for the next. Right. Yeah, this means that you're done with the video. Yeah, we're done for how to create a form. First part. So we're look out for more videos. Yeah, in the next video, we're going to discuss how you can put in logics, skip logics, how can you validate